Hi everyone, welcome back to Slow Fashion Mom. If you're new here, I'm Rachel and today I'll be breaking down my fall winter capsule wardrobe for you. All that means is I'll be showing what's old, what's new, and how much money I spent. To be honest, I almost didn't make this video because I thought it might be a bit boring. The majority of my pieces this year are old, so if you watched my channel, you would have seen them in last year's video, which I'll link above. And then the new pieces I have, you also probably have seen them in my fall thrift haul video or another video. But I did end up making it, and from all of your feedback, it seems you really like the part where I put the outfits together and style pieces different ways. And that's honestly my favorite part of having a capsule wardrobe, is just seeing what you can come up with by having a smaller amount of clothing, how many different pieces work together, and how many outfits you can create with those. So I'm so glad that some of you found value in that. So to get started, I've got 28 pieces this year. I've got 11 sweaters, 6 bottoms, and 11 tops. I said that in the video, it's actually 12. I forgot to film my black turtleneck. So 29 pieces in total. Okay, so of those 29 pieces, I have 21 that are old, that have been in my closet for at least a year or more. I was looking through my pieces quickly, and I think the oldest piece I have is my chambray shirt. I wear that pretty much year round, and I believe it's coming up on 5 years old now. Definitely 4, maybe 5. It's funny how much it's faded over the years. When I got it, when I look back on old pictures and videos, it was much darker blue, and it has faded so much. But I think that actually is great for this kind of shirt because it's really worn in and it's so comfy now. It's really soft instead of kind of a stiffer denim or fabric. Anyway, that's my oldest piece and probably one of my favorites as well. I've got 8 brand new pieces in my wardrobe this year. 2 of the pieces I got in the springtime, but because I'm going to be wearing them in this fall winter season, I included them. And those are my Fair Indigo pieces. I've got my gray t-shirt dress and white crew neck t-shirt. I did a partnership with Fair Indigo back in the spring, and I'll be wearing these pieces all throughout fall and winter. Next piece that's new is my black mama t-shirt. I got this around Christmas time last year, and it was to support a charity. It was a local Toronto business that was raising money for miscarriage, stillbirth, and infant loss awareness. That's a cause I feel very strongly about, and I really wanted to support this company, so I purchased the t-shirt. I believe it was $40, and unfortunately they are not making t-shirts anymore, but they had really cute styles, so I'm glad I picked one up at the time. The rest of my new pieces are thrifted, so new to me, secondhand, and I showed all of these in my fall thrift haul video. So 2 pairs of pants because I gained some weight in the summer, and then a bunch of sweaters because we've moved to a small town that's a couple hours north of where we used to live, and it's much colder here. The total I spent on all of my thrifted items was $45. So in total on my clothing for this year's fall winter wardrobe, I spent a grand total of $85. I also just wanted to mention, I have not purchased any shoes this season, but I did get both of my fall winter boots repaired this year. So I have a pair of flat Chelsea boots. They are by Timberland. I've had them, I'm pretty sure 4 years now, maybe 5. They are so comfortable. I love them so much, and I've gotten the heel replaced once before. This time the stitching holding the elastic on the sides together had come undone, so they had big holes. I got those repaired. And then I also have a pair of heeled boots. They're by Clark's. I've had those maybe 2, this is the 3rd year I've had them. The heel cap on them was a really cheap plastic, and they were so slippery, so I got that replaced with rubber, and then the guy suggested putting rubber on the bottoms as well, so I did that. This repair seems pretty expensive. It cost me $85 for both boots, but it's definitely much cheaper than buying a new pair of quality boots. Hopefully by putting the rubber on the bottom of the one pair, they will last for a long time. And the Timberlands, they are so broken in and comfy, the leather, and by replacing the heel, I can continue wearing my favorite boots for years and years. So even though it was expensive, I think it was well worth it. So that's it for today, guys. That is how my fall and winter wardrobe breaks down. By sharing this with you, I just want to show that capsule wardrobes, they can be fun. You can come up with all kinds of different outfits, and most importantly, you don't have to buy a bunch of new stuff every year. You can carry your clothing through year to year, replace pieces as you need. If your size changes up or down, you know, you'll definitely need to replace a piece or two here or there. And everyone likes to buy new clothing occasionally. So anyway, I just want to show you completely openly my process and how I do it. I hope this video was helpful. Let me know in the comments down below, and thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you next week. Bye.